we discuss the question number 8. Calculate the equivalent resistance in the given diagram. This is your diagram. Student, you have seen that this diagram. Lots of students they told me, sir, this is the series condition, so it's become the R plus R plus R. Your answer is 3 ohms, but it is totally wrong, because first you have solved this diagram. What's your resistance? You stage this resistance, means this resistance, and this is the midpoint. Your midpoint is resistance is R, and you stage this point, means your resistance becomes the this side means R, and you stage the that portion means that resistance means upward direction. This is R, and this is the point. So now you told me, sir, now this resistance becomes the parallel, means 1 by R equal to 1 by R plus 1 by R plus 1 by R, means your LCM is R, means 3 by R, then R dash equal to what? R by 3. Your resistance is R by 3. This is your answer. Now we discuss the question number 9. A electric heater of resistance 8 ohm drawn 15 ampere from the service main in 2 hours. Calculate the rate at which heat is developed. So student, first you have given your solution is what? Calculate the heat developed. According to Joule's law of heating effect of electric current, you know that what's H equal to I square RT, according to Joule's law of heating effect of electric current. But you have given that question, what's R equal to 8 ohm and current equal to 15 ampere. Now we discuss your answer is, but you calculate the P. The P equal to, know that I square R P equal to, that, then power equal to the P equal to, that W by T. P equal to W by T. So W means, what's W means? I square RT by T. So it's become the I square R. So your calculate your answer. Your answer is how much? 15 multiply by the 15 multiply by 8. 15 multiply by 8. Then you solve this question. Your answer is 1800 joule. 1800 joule. This is your answer. Now we discuss the question number 10. What's your question? Which uses more energy? A 250 watt TV set in 1 hour, or 1200 watt a toaster in 10 minutes. Your question is which is more energy? First, a TV set solution. First, a TV set. A TV set. Which use more energy? You know that energy equal to watts, P into T. You have given the power, how much? 250 watt. Time is given that in 1 hour. So it's become the 250 watt hour. So TV consume the energy 250 watt hour. Then next, toaster. Toaster consume the energy. E equal to, that again, P into T. How much power? Power you have again the 1200 watt. And time is given that 10 minutes. Then you calculate. First you change the second divided by 60. Then your answer 0 cancel, and 2 times means 200 watt hour. So in this diagram you have seen that TV has more energy or toaster has low energy. So you can say TV has more energy. Okay.